Hi, I'm Mr. Gaskill. Welcome to 7th grade science. We're going to start off the year trying to figure out what makes soap bubbly. Ever wondered about that? And we'll engineer devices that heat things up or cool things down using a chemical reaction. Oh yeah, that is cold. We'll figure out where plants get the matter that they need to grow, like this watermelon. Where does all the matter come from? And we'll try and save endangered monarch butterflies by trying to grow milkweeds. Then we'll try and figure out why Nevada produces more gold than every other state in the nation. We have a lot of gold buried in our state, more than any other state. Why is that? And then we'll wrap up the year with our geology unit, trying to figure out why there are giant fossilized fish, coral reefs, and woolly mammoth tusks buried in the desert of Nevada. There is so much we're going to learn this year. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to model phenomena. We are going to solve problems. We're going to develop explanations. Let's have fun. We'll see you soon.